fire curtain systems.
And that's really our mission for this deep dive, isn't it? To explore these often invisible barriers,
Right. Understand the components.
how they operate, their vital role, especially in those really large open spaces.
And we're drawing all this from that key text, Fire Curtain Systems, Modern Safety and Design.
That's our guide for today. It lays it all out.
Yeah, so our goal for you, listening, is to get beyond just, knowing the name fire curtain.
It's about appreciating the ingenuity.
Exactly. Recognizing how something so discrete can be so critical, turning something overlooked into something, well, understood,
Valued, even.
valued. Okay, so let's start with something that really jumps out from the source material,
Which is?
that these systems are visible only in case of fire. I mean, that's intriguing straight away. How do they actually do that?
Yeah, it's a great example of modern safety thinking meeting design needs.
Okay.
The source really emphasizes how architects and engineers work to keep these systems within groove design.
Within groove design, what does that mean exactly?
It means they're not just tacked on, they're engineered into the building's structure.
Okay.
Think tucked away in ceiling voids, integrated into bulkheads, maybe hidden within wall cavities.
So truly integrated.
Precisely. And this was a game changer, really. It allowed architects to design those big, open, flowing spaces we like.
Without compromising safety.
Exactly. Without compromising that crucial compartmentalization you need in a fire. It's a balance between safety and aesthetics.
That makes sense. Not just hidden, but designed in.
Correct.
So, speaking of what's hidden away, let's get into the nitty-gritty. What is a fire curtain system made of? What are the parts?
Good question. The source breaks it down nicely. So first, you've got the curtain fabric.
Okay, the curtain itself.
Right. But this isn't just any fabric. It's highly fire resistant, very robust, designed for extreme heat.
Got it. What else?
Then there's the head box or casing. That's the housing unit where the curtain stays rolled up, completely out of sight usually.
The hiding spot.
Kind of, yeah.
Yeah.
Then, very important, are the side guide rails.
Rails. Why are they important?
They ensure the curtain comes down smoothly and, crucially, securely. It needs to form a proper seal against the sides.
Ah, right. To stop smoke and flames getting around it.
Precisely. Then you need a way to lower it. So there's either a motorized mechanism or sometimes a gravity-controlled one. Fail-safe gravity is common.
Motor or gravity? Okay.
And pulling it all together is the control panel. This is the brain.
The brain. How so?
It's linked directly into the building's main fire alarm system.
Ah, okay. So it knows when there's a problem.
Yes. For automatic activation, that link is critical.
Wow. Okay. It's quite a setup. A lot of interconnected parts.
It really is. Each part has a vital role.
So we know the parts. Now, how does this whole system actually, fight a fire once it's triggered? What does it do?
Right. So imagine the fire alarm goes off. Or maybe a specific detector senses smoke or heat nearby.
Uh-huh.
That signal goes straight to the control panel we just talked about.
And the panel says go time.
Essentially, yes, it activates the deployment mechanism, the motor or the gravity release.
Then the curtain drops.
Swiftly, yes. Down the side guides, forming that continuous barrier, ceiling to floor.
Okay, so now you have this wall of fire-resistant fabric. What effect does that have?
Well, it's multifaceted. First, it physically restricts the movement of flames, stops them spreading horizontally.
Containment.
Exactly. Second, it limits the flow of smoke, which is often just as dangerous, if not more so, than the flames themselves.
Definitely. Smoke inhalation is a huge risk.
And third, by creating that barrier, it reduces the oxygen that can get to the fire.
Ah, starving it a bit.
Kind of. It helps slow down the fire's development, its intensity.
So restrict flames, limit smoke, reduce oxygen. It's all about slowing things down.
Slowing it down, containing it, and maintaining safe zones elsewhere. Buying precious time.
Buying time. That seems absolutely crucial. Which brings me to the next point. Why these systems?
What do you mean?
Why are they so indispensable now? We have fire doors, right?
Mm-hmm.
Why couldn't we just stick with those in these big modern buildings?
That's a really important question. And fire doors are still essential, let's be clear. Many situations require them.
Okay.
But fire curtains fill a specific vital niche. The source points this out clearly. They're invaluable for large open-plan buildings where installing fire doors is impractical.